Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add location in bulk in Facebook ad campaign. As you can see, I am into my ads manager and I am creating a new ad campaign, and we are at the ad set level, right? In the ad set level we have a section of audience control. For example, I am going to run ad campaign in 50 different cities or 50 different postal codes, right? And either we need to enter the city name manually and select those location, or else we can also use this add location in bulk feature available in Facebook ad campaign at the ad set level in the audience control section, right? So we will simply click on this, and here in the location type, as I am going to run my ad campaign at various postal codes, then I will simply select this, and here it is asking us about the country, so we will simply select our country name. Okay, we have selected it, and here it is telling us that you need to enter the pin code separated by comma. The postal code separated by comma we need to enter. Let me add all the postal code where I want to run my ad, and now we will simply separate them using these commas, right? Okay, so we have entered all the postal codes where we want to run our ad. We can add them in bulk, like if you have 500 postal codes, then you can simply enter them separated by comma, and then click on match location, and as you can see it has selected all these postal codes, and click on add 10 locations. So it was super easy to add location in bulk in the Facebook ad campaign, and as you can see all our postal codes have been selected. So this is how you can add location in bulk in your Facebook ad campaign. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.